my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys two slime recipes where you don't need glue or borax or shaving cream or that kind of stuff. It's only two ingredients and you can easily find these at home. So keep watching how they turned out and what recipes I tested. So for the first slime, you're going to need a bowl or something that you're going to put the mixture in, cornstarch or something like that, 8 tablespoons, dish soap, and food coloring of your choice. So first you're going to add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. So here it is. And then you have to add 1.5 tablespoon of this soap and a half, like I think that's enough, okay. And then you're going to add some food coloring of your choice. Oh, it's actually a lot, okay. And then we're going to mix it with a toothpick and see. Okay, I think we should do more this soap or something, like this is not going to work. Is this more liquid because this is not working? So we're going to put more this soap in it. Let's see, maybe it will work or not. Well, I don't think it will work. Like, it's getting somewhere, but it's nothing like a slime. Oh, bubbles. Oh, a little bit more. Maybe will help it. Okay, we're getting somewhere. Oh my gosh. It's working! It's working, guys. Like, something is happening. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This looks like slime, I think. Oh my, so pretty. Like a raspberry pink, I think. Like, see? Oh my gosh. So cool. So cool. Should I mix it more? Yeah. So it didn't work. This, I don't know if I did something wrong, like I added more cornstarch, then this soap, and still it's sticky. It's nothing like slime, and it just like, see, I'm like, yeah, sticks so bad. Like, I don't know if I did something wrong, but this is like, I don't even know, it's not slime, that's for sure. Like, I can't even, it's like Play-Doh, but really bad quality. So I think this slime, two ingredient slime recipe is a fail. So let's move on to the next one. So it promises you that the texture is going to be like this. Mine definitely wasn't like this, like, yep. So the next slime is going to be this chia seed slime. I never heard of it, so we're going to find out. Apparently you're going to need, let's see, chia seeds, cornstarch, water, food coloring, and the ingredients. Chia seed slime recipe, blah blah blah. Okay, so let's try it. What do you say? The little guy is having fun. Should we? I hope so. So here are all my ingredients, and we're going to try out the chia seed slime. So it says that you have to put some chia seeds, so I have some. They don't have any measures, so I'm gonna be interesting. Okay, let's work with that. And I'm going to put cornstarch. Okay, I'm going to just pour it. Just pour it. Come on. Okay. We're going to add more if it needed. To mix it. Ah, come on. So we need water. Yay. So we're going to add some water. Okay, let's try it. Mix it. Okay, put it down the counter, okay? Okay, so let's mix it. So weird. So liquidy. Add some more cornstarch. Okay. And maybe a little bit more water. Okay. Okay. And it's still liquidy. Why? Nothing happening. It's liquidy and weird. Add more cornstarch. More. Okay. So do we have to wait like an hour or something to get it liquidy? I mean, not liquidy, like slime-like. This ain't nothing. This ain't nothing. Maybe we should wait. Like, I know the chia seeds like dissolve with water, so maybe if we wait, something will happen. I mean, this is very, very liquidy, so we're going to wait and see about an hour what's going to happen to this. Maybe the chia seeds will dissolve the water and it will be more slime-like. So keep watching. So I actually put some more cornstarch in it and left it in the fridge overnight, and I see it's like a little bit hard, so I'm going to take it out and see what's it like. So, oh, okay. Well, it's really hard. Okay. I can't even get it out. But maybe I put it a little bit too much cornstarch, so it's really hard to get out, but it's really like slime-like you can see it's liquidy. I think this has actually worked. Oh my gosh. Do any of you guys heard this recipe, like this chia seed one? Like, I never even seen this. Come on. Oh my gosh. Look, it's like slime, but really bad quality slime. Like, you know, the ones that stick and rip, but it's definitely slime. Maybe if I didn't put that much cornstarch in it, it would have been better. But it's definitely slime. Like, look. Oh my gosh. It's kind of like cloud slime, I think. Like, I can't believe this actually worked. Oh my gosh. Look. So cool. And the recipe says that your children can play with it, because like it doesn't have any like chemicals in it, and it's actually just chia seeds, water, cornstarch, and if you want to put in it some food coloring. So yeah. Oh my gosh, so weird. Oh my gosh. So satisfying. Like, I can't believe this actually worked. You guys should really try it out. It's like awesome. The texture is so weird. And like, if you see this kind of like liquidy, so weird. Cool. Awesome. But this little part here is hard. So I think this one is definitely a success. So yeah. Ugh. Still sticky. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you enjoyed it, give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Also, if you have any other 2-ingredient slime recipes that I should test out, leave it down in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys!